In this video, I'll discuss 10 remote jobs that are genuinely straightforward, easy to perform and attain, requiring no college degree or prior experience. I'll cover what these roles entail day to day, their pros and cons, how to enter these fields, and provide actual job listings for your convenience. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now, let's get back to the video. First on the list is an administrative assistant, a career often overlooked. As an administrative assistant, your tasks include providing essential support, managing schedules, handling correspondence, and filing invoices. Starbucks currently has an open position for an administrative assistant, closing this week. To apply, visit their career page and search for this role. Required skills include strong organizational abilities, attention to detail, effective communication skills, and adaptability. This role requires basic computer skills and an internet connection. Overall, this opportunity scores a 7 out of 10. Next is the role of a virtual vacation booker. This position is typically contracted by independent travel agencies to create travel itineraries, manage bookings, and ensure seamless travel experiences for clients. Essentially, you function as an assistant travel agent. With the global reopening, the travel industry has seen significant growth. Vacation planners earn between $52,000 and $81,000 annually. Starting as an assistant usually places you on the lower end of this scale, with potential for higher earnings as you gain experience. Skills required include effective communication, proficiency in travel booking platforms, a passion for travel, good customer service, and the ability to work independently while handling multiple tasks. You can start by consuming travel-related content on blogs and YouTube, taking online courses in travel booking or tourism management, and connecting with established travel agents on LinkedIn. Look for virtual travel booker or remote vacation specialist positions to apply. This opportunity scores a solid 9 out of 10. Moving on, an online task contributor plays a crucial role in ensuring search engines provide accurate and relevant results. Major search engine companies hire individuals to evaluate content for relevance and accuracy. This role requires strong written and verbal communication skills, attention to detail, and the ability to follow instructions and grasp new concepts. Annual earnings range from $42,000 to $78,000. Landing this job is relatively straightforward. Here are some current job opportunities displayed on screen. Pros include contributing to improving online search experiences, learning about various web content, and potential long-term employment. Cons may involve repetitive tasks and occasional quality assurance checks. This opportunity scores a 7 out of 10. Next, we have a position in aftermarket auto parts live chat sales. Essentially, this role involves assisting customers looking for aftermarket auto parts to modify their vehicles. While the exact part they need may not always be available, your expertise in cars allows you to guide them effectively. This position is ideal for car enthusiasts. Here are some job opportunities displayed on screen. Pros include flexibility and engaging with fellow car enthusiasts. Cons may include commission-based pay and the requirement for extensive car knowledge. Overall, this opportunity scores an 8 out of 10. Moving on, a sales development representative, SDR, is among my favorite entry-level roles. In this position, you engage in sales for business-to-business, B2B companies, focusing on building relationships rather than pushing sales aggressively. Your role primarily involves initial outreach and maintaining contact, with commissions based on performance. Successful SDRs can earn between $87,000 and $142,000 annually. Here are some current job openings displayed on screen. Many individuals, even without prior experience or relevant degrees, have successfully entered this field. CareerSite offers a free training session explaining the SDR role and its suitability for different personalities. Click the link in the description or pinned comment to learn more. This opportunity scores a perfect 10 out of 10. Next up is a speech-to-text typist. In this role, you act as a linguistic interpreter, converting spoken audio and video into written documents across various fields like medicine, law, and academia. Historically, this process was laborious, but modern tools have expedited it significantly. Speech-to-text typists typically earn between $39,000 and $64,000 per year. Skills required include fast typing speed, minimum 60 words per minute, attention to detail, familiarity with transcription tools, and excellent listening comprehension. Start by taking online transcription courses, building your portfolio with a few free projects, and then pursue job opportunities like those shown on screen. Pros include exposure to diverse industries and potential for career growth. Cons include the sedentary nature of the job and potential monotony. This opportunity scores a 7.5 out of 10. Next, we have a remote data entry analyst role, where your primary task is to organize and input data into digital systems, ensuring accuracy and efficiency. Think of it as being a digital data caretaker, ensuring that information systems are free of inconsistencies and errors. Data is crucial for many businesses, often more valuable than oil or gold. In this position, you can expect to earn between $43,000 and $60,000 annually. Skills needed include a strong attention to detail, excellent typing skills, ability to follow instructions, and basic computer literacy. Here are some current job opportunities displayed on screen. While data entry may not be the most glamorous job and may not be something you want to do forever, it offers opportunities to learn new software programs and can serve as a stepping stone into more advanced roles within the data industry. Cons include repetitive work, the need for strong attention to detail, and limited interactions with colleagues. Overall, this opportunity scores a 7 out of 10. Moving on to a social services help desk member position, you would be employed by government agencies or nonprofits to provide information, answer questions, and connect individuals with resources from social service agencies. Essentially, you act as a guiding light, offering clear direction to those seeking assistance from social services. This role typically pays between $47,000 and $75,000 per year. Ideal for individuals deeply involved in their community, required skills include good communication, active listening, research and problem-solving abilities, patience, passion for helping others, and basic computer literacy. Getting started could involve volunteering at a local organization to gain experience, researching local social programs, familiarizing yourself with community resources, and then applying for jobs. Here are some current opportunities displayed on screen. Pros include making a positive impact on others' lives, finding meaning and reward in your work, and enjoying a stable work environment. Cons may include occasional emotional challenges and possibly working evenings or weekends. This opportunity scores an 8 out of 10. One of my favorite side hustles and freelance opportunities is being a private online tutor. Chances are you excel in some area of expertise, whether it's academics, languages, or specialized skills like chess or organizational strategies. Online tutors typically earn between $43,000 and $72,000 annually, though earnings can be higher, especially in niche subjects. For instance, during college, I charged over $100 an hour tutoring for the Pharmacy College Admissions Test, PCAT, leveraging my high scores. Here are some opportunities and websites where you can start tutoring online, displayed on screen. pros include sharing your knowledge and making a positive impact, setting your own schedule, and potentially earning well depending on the demand for your niche. Cons include the need for strong communication skills, ability to motivate students, income variability based on student demand, and possibly working evenings or weekends to accommodate students. Overall, I rate this opportunity a 9 out of 10. Next up is a position as a data contributor. These professionals are typically employed by data collection and analysis firms to capture and submit photos on various subjects for research and development purposes. Essentially, you'll be responsible for either taking photos and labeling them accurately, or using existing photos and applying correct data labels to facilitate easier AI interpretation. Data contributors play a crucial role in advancing AI, as everyday experiences contribute to larger technological advancements. According to TransPerfect, you'll earn $1 for each accepted photo, making this more of a gig than a full-time job. Required qualifications include access to an iPhone, iPad, or computer, the ability to capture clear and well-lit photos, and attention to detail. One advantage of this role is its flexibility and ease in earning income. It also provides an entry into a rapidly growing industry, potentially leading to higher-paying opportunities in the future. However, cons include the freelance nature of the work, limited earning potential, and the possibility of repetitive tasks. Overall, I rate this opportunity an 8.5 out of 10 in terms of its potential. By the way, these opportunities allow for remote work worldwide or from home, as discussed in this video. If you loved this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.